In this video, I'll guide you through how to save a notebook in Databricks. Whether you're collaborating with a team or simply want to keep a backup of your work, knowing how to properly save your notebooks is crucial. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, what you'll want to do is click on File, located in the top left toolbar of your notebook workspace. This is your starting point for accessing various file management options, including exporting and saving your notebook. Once you click on File, a contextual menu will appear. From this menu, hover your cursor over Export. This action will reveal a list of formats that you can choose from to save your notebook. The format you choose will depend on how you intend to use or share the notebook later. Let's explore the first option, the Jupyter Notebook format, with the extension .ipynb. This format is ideal if you plan to open and edit the file locally in environments like VS Code or JupyterLab. It allows you to maintain the interactive features of notebooks, such as code execution and visualization, making it perfect for developers and data scientists who want to continue working on their projects outside of Databricks. Moving on to the second option, saving your notebook as a source file. This can be in the form of a .py, .sql, or .scala file. Choosing this option will save your notebook as a plain text file that matches the coding language you're using. This is particularly useful if you're looking to integrate your code into a larger code base, or if you need to share your scripts with colleagues who might be using different programming environments. Lastly, there's the HTML format option. This is the best choice if you need to share your work with non-technical stakeholders. Exporting your notebook as an HTML file will render the text results and charts clearly without requiring the recipient to have a Spark cluster to view it. This format is particularly useful for creating final summary reports that are easy to read and understand for anyone, regardless of their technical expertise. As you can see, each format serves a different purpose, so it's important to choose the one that best aligns with your needs. Once you've selected your desired format, simply click on it, and Databricks will handle the rest, exporting your notebook in the chosen format. This process is quick and efficient, allowing you to easily manage and share your work. And there you have it, a straightforward way to save your notebooks in Databricks. By following these steps, you can ensure your work is safely stored in a format that suits your future needs. Remember, the key is to choose the format that best fits how you plan to use or share your notebook later on. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you in your Databricks journey. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.